Welcome to the $100 Secret to Building a $1 Million Business. This is the 30-day challenge funnel explained. This is going to show you how to build a sales funnel in 30 days that's profitable. And you're going to be learning from two marketing legends who have made multi-millions of dollars in their businesses. There's two of them right here. I'm going to go over briefly who each one is, how much they made, and basically what they can do for you. And I'm going to go over what the one funnel away challenge is and how you can get started. You can get started directly below in the video description box. There's a link there. Click it and you can check it out and learn more there. So what is the one funnel away challenge? It's a 30-day intensive training program designed to help you build a high converting sales funnel from scratch. And the best part, it's free right now. You'll be learning from two marketing legends, Trey Lewellen, who has sold millions with his e-commerce business, and Russell Brunson, co-founder of ClickFunnels, who grew his company to $100 million in just 3 short years. And if you've been around marketing for any time at all, you'll definitely know who Russell Brunson is. He's pretty much a legend in the marketing world. And this is him right there. And you're going to learn, he's going to be talking in this video too, which I'll show you at the end of this video. And then to watch the whole video and to learn more about this, see the link and you can watch it in its entirety. All right. And so he's created ClickFunnels, grew it to $100 million business in just three short years. And it's been around a lot longer. And I don't know how much he's made now, but it's been around for like a decade. But he's made a ton of money. He's an excellent marketer. He's an expert on building sales funnels. That's what his company is all about. Ecom. If you're into Ecom, which a lot of people are nowadays, he has made millions doing Ecom. And now what are these two going to teach you? I'm going to show you what the one funnel away challenge is and how you're going to get it for free. In 1 second here. Let me get rid of this. We're going to scroll down. We're going to get rid of this real quick. And we're going to scroll down here. This is the one funnel away challenge. ClickFunnels is the #1 tool to make it happen. And you're going to get this free for 90 days, the actual tool, for 3 whole months, and all this for just a one-time payment of $100. So it's dirt cheap, and for $100, you're going to be able to go out to dinner once, a decent dinner. Or are you going to spend that money on self-improvement, building a business, bettering yourself, and making more money for you and your family in the process? You got to invest in yourself to turn yourself into something that you can be proud of. Someone that built a business from scratch, somebody that busted his butt and, built a business from scratch and wasn't afraid to spend a little bit of money to invest in themselves, to learn the strategies to build a successful business. That's what smart people do. If you see anybody all over the internet, Tim Robbins, anybody that's got a lot of money, they're always investing in themselves. They're always buying courses, buying tools to better themselves, and reinvesting what they learn into their businesses. This is no difference, and it's only $100, so you cannot beat it. I'm going to go over some more benefits and value of the 30-day challenge. And like I said, you pay $100 a one-time fee. You'll get 90 days access to ClickFunnels. This is Russell Brunson's product. Awesome product, by the way. You'll get weekly live coaching calls with Russell and Trey, both of them. And a bonus Fill Your Funnel challenge to start attracting organic traffic for free. That's a total value of over $11,000. Imagine getting all this training, guidance, and support for just $100. It's an absolute no-brainer. And like I said before, you're going to spend that much on a night out of town, and it's an absolute steal. If you want to see the testimonials, there's all the testimonials here. It's also more of what you're going to get. ClickFunnels, 90 days, 3 full months of access. Almost a $900 value. And then you're getting the one funnel away challenge with both these players in the game that have made millions of dollars. These people can really drastically speed up your learning curve, getting you to make money a lot sooner then you can. What are you going to do? You're going to buy a couple books, spend the money, and learn it all yourself. And you might learn some tips, but it's going to take you years to potentially get to where you're going, or it's going to, you might not ever get to where you're going. So you're going to be wasting a lot of valuable time and resources in the process. The best thing to do: hire experts in the field. Pick their brains. They're going to let you know exactly what to do, so you're not going to make those mistakes. You're going to save a ton of time, a ton of energy, and you're going to build that business of your dreams that much sooner. So that's a smart thing to do, and that's what everybody does. You can go down the list with money. They reinvest in themselves. So these are some of the many reviews on this product. You can go through here and check out the reviews. Like I said, the link's going to be directly below. Just click that link and you can come on over here. This is the video I'm going to end this on. I'm going to play it for about 10 seconds. And like you said, you can come over here and check this out for yourself. So with that being said, let me end the video with Russell starting it. And then, like I said, you can come over here. You can come over here and finish it yourself. So if you're building sales funnels of any kind and you want to take your business to that next level, this is a product you're going to want to check out. So here we go. Thanks for watching. Hit like on the on this video. I'd appreciate it. And subscribe to my YouTube channel for future video updates. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
One Funnel Away Challenge. I'm guessing if you are here today, you either heard of the One Funnel Away Challenge or maybe you had a chance to go through it in the past. Over the last 5 years, over 120,000 entrepreneurs